Breaking news coming in this hour on the Cauvery water dispute. The Karnataka government has shown some reluctance in releasing Cauvery water to Tamil Nadu as ordered by the Supreme Court yesterday. The Karnataka government says that it is looking at exploring legal options. Remember, the court had yesterday directed the Karnataka government to release 2.44 thousand million cubic feet of water to Tamil Nadu for its irrigation needs. This has been a point of conflict between the two states. Earlier, the Supreme Court had said that the drinking water needs of Karnataka are more important, but yesterday, realizing that there is a standing crop in Tamil Nadu, the court had asked Karnataka to release some water to Tamil Nadu as well. For more, let's get in a word from Deepa Balakrishnan. She's joining us on the phone line from Bangalore. Deepa, this is a clear violation of Supreme Court orders.
Well, it's not yet a violation. The Karnataka government has been given 48 hours time to release water to Tamil Nadu. The fact is that this issue was raised in the assembly within an hour of the Supreme Court giving its order earlier this morning. And both opposition parties as well as the ruling party had agreed on one thing, that they just don't have enough water to meet the drinking water needs of Karnataka itself. So where is the question of releasing water to Tamil Nadu? And this they felt, the irrigation minister has felt is enough grounds to further explore this legally, further fight it out legally, and take the battle perhaps in an appeal or in some kind of a special petition before the Supreme Court itself, or perhaps the Cauvery River Authority. Now, this is what the Karnataka government is right now preparing for. At the same time, the Chief Minister also made a statement in the Assembly that he will be going to Delhi later this evening. Although the fact is that the state budget is set to be presented tomorrow, he has to present it tomorrow. But despite that, he will make a quick trip to Delhi now to talk to his lawyers, other legal consultants, and decide how to take this fight forward in the court. There is also a statement made in the assembly, in the floor of the assembly today, that there is no immediate hurry to release water. There is still 48 hours time, so they will bide their time and see how best to take this fight forward.
And Deepa, all of this coming as just a few days ago, we saw the Supreme Court really coming down on the centre and saying that it has to notify the Cauvery Water Dispute Tribunal Award by the 20th of February.
Well, yes, the Supreme Court has told the centre to notify the order by February 20th, but that's again another appeal by the state government that's been taken up with the centre, saying that we should not be notifying that order because it's an order that Karnataka feels it cannot comply with. It does not agree with the conditions put in by that order, saying that this amount of water, such and such amount of water has to be released in a district year, and certain other amount of water has to be released during a good monsoon year. These are conditions that the Karnataka government has not agreed with, so they've prevailed upon the centre to not notify this order immediately. But of course, the Supreme Court order has probably got to be followed, so we have to wait and see what happens on February 20th. But it's a very emotive issue down south, both in the Mysore region, the Cauvery region in Karnataka, as well as Tamil Nadu, where the farmers are very agitated about this. At the same time, the Karnataka government is also thinking of telling the Supreme Court to send an assessment team to both states, Karnataka as well as Tamil Nadu, because they feel that Tamil Nadu water crisis is not so severe. In fact, there is plenty of water, enough to meet their own cropping pattern, season for the next couple of months. So they feel that Tamil Nadu is in a pretty safe position as far as water needs are concerned, while Karnataka is in a severe crisis situation. At the same time, there's also a severe power crisis looming up for this summer. So that's another problem the Karnataka government is faced with.
All right.